If you're shopping on TEMU and keep getting blocked by the minimum order requirement, here are the real ways to get around it legally and safely. First, understand this. TEMU enforces minimum order in many regions, usually between $10 to $20, and there is no permanent setting to turn it off. But here is what actually works. Method 1. Add low-cost filler items. TEMU has items for under $1. Add cheap accessories, stickers, or cables to reach the minimum. Then remove them from your next order. Method 2. Check new user or flash coupons. Sometimes TEMU temporarily removes or lowers the minimum when a coupon is applied. Always check the coupon section before checking out. Method 3. Switch to bundle or free shipping deals. Some listings bypass the minimum if they're marked as special offers. Method 4. Use the TEMU app instead of the website. App exclusive deals sometimes allow smaller orders. Bottom line, you can't fully remove the minimum, but these tricks help you check out with the lowest possible total without breaking any rules. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.